What's your opinion?
On this heifer right here? Well, first we're going to start off by Chevy. See here, that's a man's vehicle, not them fucking Fiat you drive one. So, you know this thing's pulling mega fucking pussy right here. We're also going to start off by, you know, these nice fucking upgrades they've done here, okay?
Yep.
We're not talking about Caitlin on the bike. No, don't worry about Jenner there. Just worry about how it says, you know, this nice factory racing shit, okay? You know this thing's got some fucking balls underneath the hood, okay? It's got the fucking pro circuit racing pipe. I mean, this thing just screams catching pussy. I'm telling you. I mean, you just listen to this thing purr. Purrs like a fucking kitten.
All right.